guys, what's up? Rosa here. I was driving around and I found this abandoned car wash, so I'm gonna flip it around and I'm gonna give you a treat. I wish I could get inside, but all the doors are locked. And wow, got some algae growing there. Somebody was definitely here. I think somebody may actually be living here because there's shoes and stuff over there. There's all the vacuums. There's the individual car washes. There's a white stop sign because it's so sunburnt. Here in good old Florida. Look at how overgrown this stuff is. Ah! Okay, let me watch where I'm going. Oh, look, I'm going through the monsoon. Watch my ass fall. That would really suck. Triple foam shine. Look at how overgrown it is. So desolate. Wonder if there's any left in there. What? Oh, somebody tried to get the money box. That's terrible. Oh shit. They're all dead though. Woohoo! Weeds. It's like just a bunch of junk. Get your paper. Get your paper. Inspection record. Oh shit. This is actually just open. And there's a dead spider right there. But there ain't much in there anyway. As you can see. Somebody keeps putting locks on the door. Because somebody keeps breaking them. Office. Paints? Oh no, cigarettes. Oh, it's used to be a little gas station. Inside the car wash. Oh my god, that makes sense. Oh. I don't think this was a gas station. Well, maybe just like a little convenience store. Well, that's all I got. Saw it while I was driving, so I figured I'd show it. Look at all those weeds. Oh my god. Have a great day. Look at those dryers.